University of Suffolk Brightspace Student Guide. How to self-enrol in a group. If your lecturer has set up some self-enrolment groups on Brightspace, it's very easy to join one. Starting on the home page for your module, select Communications from the navbar and then choose Groups. You'll see a list of all the groups that you're currently in for this module. To self-enrol in a group, you'll need to select View Available Groups. You'll then see a list of the groups that you can join. If you select the link for Members, you can see who has already joined the group. Then, once you've decided, click Join Group. You'll then appear back on the list of groups that you're a part of. For more information and details about where to go for support, visit libguides.uos.ac.uk/brightspace/students.